Alright, hello everybody. You don't know say Andrew Trabass from Trabass TV. Things we hate about girls. Me and Dirty Boy from the Dirty Boy show. To be rude or diss anybody, nah, I call no name still. Sometimes when you go out, kill on they don't look good. When you feel on hard that. And down deep down the inside we don't know say boy on the buy the clothes and wear.
Why not forget bathroom so often? Come on. Really now?
I wanna pee. I'm going to the bathroom. Could you please follow me, baby? Please, I wanna go use the bathroom. Come on.
I don't know what they need the bathroom so much. But anyway, that's it. Why y'all have to go to the bathroom so damn often? I mean 15 times in 1 hour? Come on now, man.
I'm not be biased now, but when I really check the status and the statistic of what go on in the world, women have more money than man in our way still. When you check it, we run a survey right now to see who have more money, man or woman. If you say a woman would get it, me I beg you $500, you can give me it please? Woman boobs up man regular. I not have no money and the baby want feeding. When them no want money, them come to it. Someone out there just give them their money. If a girl bust a one wine pan you.
Why when you and a guy walk, you choose to want to give the guy your purse?
Me so come back here, hold my bag for me, please. Just hold it. Me I run go over this thing. Just hold my bag for me here.
Handbags look like an accessory for males. Hey, let me go and give it to the guys. When you carry something for yourself, when you can't manage it, but you don't carry it, makes sense, don't it? Yeah.
I don't feel you can always change a man. If you get a man and all him love do a cheat on you, baby girl believe this, but you're no God. You can't change every and anybody. I saw him I go stay.
It's those random questions that you ask. You know? When I have this intuitive thing, big word, like you know, I understand the psyche of somebody. So what you do? What you do when you ask a question, like a simple question like, yo, like, boy, you know, some ears say bound to beat up him something there, boy, it's sad, you know. And then pitch it to you for see how you react. And make in a no point you react anywhere. Oh, so I see him say if me I did it, I see him say that word. Oh no, I'm not type of person name. And I'm taking it on them because I'm reading to it. Ladies don't like that about them. Hate it.
When them not fat though. Alright. Well, you see me not be biased or anything still. The girl and me have or the girl and me want or the girl and me there with, I have to feel comfortable with me. She have to can cut fat around me 24/7 and not afraid for fat neither. Some girl I'm afraid for fat, me not gonna lie. Me not talk fat still like you fat cause you want fat. I mean like run joke fat like you just sit down here and she did this and you say, yo baby, and you just you see it, and she look on you and cut back one fat pan you see it, and them kind of joke them here talk. Me no mean, yo walk on here and come shit pan me, no, me no in that.
Locking shop to prove a point. That ain't cool, ladies. Locking your shop to prove a point, it ain't not cool. You and somebody there. Yeah, your man there. And because of some like argument and other thing, you choose to know you have a lock shop and spite him. Not nice, ladies. Not nice.
And yes, and next thing, you have some girl out there, them love chat. All when you not look them a tell about them man and what them man can do. Can't mind me, my boyfriend I come out of prison next week. I'm going back tomorrow. So me not want you. Yeah. And me a gutter, me a gangster. Up there, talk up to me. I hate them thing there, yo. You know, me hate one girl do them thing there. I laba about them man and what them man can do. I can do even better.
It is saying that you have never done this before when you know you're a little hoochie. I mean, admit it. So don't come talk about, oh, I've never kissed on the first date before, you know. I've never really done this before. It's not like me. It's not like me. When everybody knows say being grown with the entire community and the whole football team. Ladies, give it up. We'll see right through that. Like Nikki. My top head.
Things we hate about girls. Me and Dirty Boy from the Dirty Boy show.
You are wonderful creatures, wonderful beings. But more time it just piss off. You piss man off. Just being plain and simple. Alright, take care. Don't be representing for Trabass TV. Don't know, keep it large. Trabass to the world. Yeah.
One thing. Again. Subscribe. Click this. Just click this little yellow button. Click it. Yeah. Follow me on Twitter. What the birthday? Oh, see me. Follow me on Twitter. You see it? Trabass TV. Yeah. I'm out.